In the event a student living on campus housing tests positive either during move-in or at any time during the academic year, they will be moved to a designated on-campus isolation housing. The entire process is coordinated through the campus's Emergency Operations Center. Student Health Services will suggest items that students should take with them. A staff member from Environmental Health and Safety will meet the student at their residence and then transport them to isolation housing. All precautions will be taken by wearing masks and gloves.
So for a student who lives off campus and they have been diagnosed with COVID-19, they will continue to receive daily clinical support from the Student Health Services team. They will be given the standard CDC guidance for an individual who has COVID-19 living in a setting at home, trying to stay within a bedroom. If at all possible, if you live with others, can they bring your meals to your door so that you don't come out of the area? That if possible, restrict to one bathroom or very much clean after a bathroom. Laundering your own personal items separately rather than with everyone else.
Roommates will be notified that their roommate has tested positive and are moving to isolation housing. They will be asked to contact Student Health Services if they experience any symptoms and should practice physical distancing. The apartments and again suite mates will be asked to leave their room, and we will do a deep cleaning. They will need to leave the room for at least a good couple of hours. And once we are done with a deep cleaning, again, it's the entire suite, including their personal living bedrooms, we will call them and let them know that they can return back to their apartment or suite. Moving will begin on September 19th, which is a Saturday, and will be staggered over 10 days in order to allow for physical distancing. During the move-in period, all dining services will follow a to-go model only. Students will be able to sign up for their move-in time in mid to late August. Again, move-in will be extremely staggered. We will have a select number of students coming every hour. And then as previously mentioned, all students who reside on campus will be offered free SARS-CoV-2 testing as part of their move-in process and will be expected to participate in the daily symptom screening.
Student Health Services open, is seeing students with any concerns about COVID-19 can get clinical advice as well as testing at no cost to themselves. So we're encouraging any student who thinks they may have been exposed or they have the symptoms to please call Student Health for support and testing if appropriate.